Hello everyone. I invite you to watch this YouTube clip which shows how some of the frontline workers, some doctors in India as well as all over the world have been as frontline workers have been working non-stop for COVID and COVID patients. So last year, when the pandemic started, as part of my series, I had done Salute to Heroes series, where I spoke to many frontline workers, people out there working during the pandemic. But there is a limitation of a series like this. I could not get to all, of course, heroes. There are many people who have been doing so much work in the community as frontliners. This is one of those stories. Please watch it, and if you have stories like this to share of a community hero, somebody who's worked non-stop towards COVID, towards pandemic, no matter what frontline work that was, please bring us those stories. Watch this, share this, and bring us more stories. And the third wave, which was inevitable and looks like COVID is like some of the viruses here to stay. Let's get together in fighting this. The only way to save us is stay masked, stay social distancing, very important, masks very important, vaccination. Please get vaccinated. And if you have any questions, call your primary care doctors, call your doctors, get information and get vaccinated. Take care, stay safe.
Well, the worrying update on the Delta Plus variant. Now, a total of 66 Delta Plus
COVID and lockdown has led to a lot of fear and deaths in modern times. The sight of faces in grief, dead bodies burning, and uncertainty in life has become a common sight today. It appears that the dark night is never going to end. There seems to be no end to this suffering. Amongst all this, there was a man who still has hope in his heart and was fighting to bring light to people's lives. This is the story of one of the largest cities of Vidarbha, in Maharashtra. There were lots of deaths, and patients were struggling to get beds and treatment in hospitals. The city is Akola, which is in the news these days, because of a frontline doctor who has emerged as a hero in the eye of the people. Dr. A. Tesham Deshmukh.
Hello. While dealing with COVID-19 during initial phase of lockdown, there was such a panic created and havoc was created because people were seeing all different like media news and everything where they were listening to things. Because of this it is spreading, because of that it is spreading. So the proper education was must to the patients to treat apart from the treating the disease, we have to educate the patient. So because of there was a need to create an awareness amongst the patient, we have to follow COVID appropriate behavior also, because of which we will be preventing the further spread of the disease. Apart from this, there were medical challenges also we were facing. Some hospitals were also shut down during the first phase of lockdown. So we were among the first few doctors who were giving their services.
लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे जो सिचुएशन हमने फेस की है उसमें फैसिलिटीज़ अवेलेबल करना और लोगों के लिए जो इक्विपमेंट्स थे, जो मेडिसिन था, वो इतना डिफ़िकल्ट हो गया था क्योंकि हर चीज़ का शॉर्टेज चालू हो गया था। यानी हमको डे और नाइट ऐसे इसके बीच में का जो डिफरेंस था वो समझ में नहीं आ पा रहा था। इतना डिफ़िकल्ट हो गया था हर चीज़ अवेलेबल करना, और पेशेंट्स इतनी नंबर ऑफ़ क्वांटिटी में इंक्रीज़ हो गए थे और रिक्वायरमेंट हर चीज़ की। और लॉकडाउन की वजह से लोगों के पास में मनी की जो प्रॉब्लम एक्चुअली वो फेस कर रहे थे, वो वजह से उनको जो डिफ़िकल्टीज आ रही थी, और हर जगह हर चीज़ के लिए उनको फैसिलिटी अवेलेबल करने के लिए, मेडिसिन अवेलेबल करने के लिए पैसों की ज़रूरत थी। और वो टाइम पे इतना शॉर्टेज चल रहा था कि लोग बहुत, यानी अपन एक बोल सकते हैं कि जैसे लोगों का जो ये रहता एक ह्यूमैनिटी की तौर पे अपन ने उनके लिए मदद भी की, लेकिन एक इंसान कहाँ तक उनके लिए ये कर सकता है। जहाँ तक अपने से हुआ वहाँ तक अपन ने उनके लिए फैसिलिटी अवेलेबल किया।
On 29 August 2020, this hero and his entire family got infected by the deadly coronavirus. Now he has to treat himself and his family too on his own. It was a tough task for him to save all the lives.
There is a belief that this COVID virus or infection or illness decreases your immunity, decreases your self-confidence. I was also going through that phase. When initially my mother was admitted, I was going to lose hope and I was going to sit at home. But something struck me, so that you have to stand and you have to give your best, because life has given you a second chance to serve the humanity and mankind. And everything will knock you down. This have knocked me down, but the thing is, something has motivated me, because to serving the mankind, the agony and pain after seeing this, they have motivated me to stand again and to serve the mankind.
On the 19th September 2020, he finally succeeded in defeating the disease and making a comeback, fully healthy. Hopeful eyes of his friends, relatives, and patients were eagerly waiting for him. Dr. A.T. Sham's comeback was much powerful and poised this time.
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said, when there is beauty in character, there is harmony in home. When there is harmony in home, there is order in the nation. And when there is order in the nation, there is peace in the world. So we have to start with small things. This is the basic aim of which we have initiated. Okay, we have to go in the peripheral areas of the district and the villages to create awareness about the medical illnesses which common people are facing, which they were not able to get the proper and appropriate medical advices, medical facilities. So we have to start change from the grassroots level.
It has been seen that whenever any patient has been treated by Dr. A.T. Sham, he comes back to the hospital only to pay his regards. Dr. A.T. Sham is working day and night to save lives and serve people in this society. Dr. A.T. Sham has become a popular name that is close to everyone's heart today in the city of Akola and all the villages nearby. Today, India needs such visionary doctors who love to see people with extraordinary health and vitality.